kamat ruai krenisuk nagaliang kasengking atyar balakhen bian hag jala meklea ka New Trap National Liberation Council kalapoi shikitrong skor ka Sarkar India umutri rang ba ka jala meklea Conrad kisangma ulai thu ba khatnru trek rumpang arjar fuar ulai krani kani kambat home secretary kan kampo ieng ka Sarkar India hag jingya dan lang ki officer da ka bakdo bula da Pynsngew ye jingtrang ga HNLC bani krenisuk kat kum ki kendon bula proidak agarti sansyar gari ula ong ba jing pengkre gilaya chekmat ag baidai ba kani benta ba ïakren hi hag jingelang kalong gabaran jingkermen ye kababha.
I had a meeting today with the Home Secretary and other officials of the MHA and it was regarding the communication that we have received from HNLC where they have expressed the desire to have talks with both Government of India and Government of Meghalaya in the interest of overall peace in the state, and they've mentioned in the letter that they are coming forward unconditionally as well as to discuss within the parameters of the Constitution of India. It's a welcome step, and we have updated the Government of India, MHA, on these developments, and detailed discussions on how to take this forward have also been discussed. It will not be appropriate for me to share those details at this point in time, but it was a very positive meeting, and we will take the steps forward as per discussion with the MHA, and in the next few days more developments will take place.